So we discuss the code. Okay. P-ball processor. Okay. Is this code clear to everyone? I will discuss all the codes. If this code is clear, what is this? If this code is clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what is this code? Can anyone tell me what is this code? Can anyone tell me what is this code?
So it is telling about the payment service interface.
Yeah, it is an interface. Interface don't have the codes. Here we just define a method process. And to process the request can come from any UPI. Okay. The request can come from any UPI. So whoever the UPI is giving the request, the request from that UPI will be processed. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have three UPIs. We created three UPIs. This is the UPI for PayPal. So this is, you will get this message because PayPal is processing. You will get the message, okay, processing payment from PayPal. Okay. This is for Scare and this is for Stripe. Okay. And this is the request. In the request, you require amount, currency, and description. Okay. Like from PayPal, you describe what amount to withdraw, like what currency to withdraw, and the description. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the processor to process the request. So this code is important. So in this code, we defined a map. Map has key and value. Key will be the name of the, what will be the key? What is key here? What will be the key and what will be the service? What will be the key and what will be the service? Anyone? What will be the key and what will be the service?
So key will be the PayPal.
And okay. So this will be the key and this will be the service. Is this clear? That I'm highlighting. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a map. So this is like an object which contains the data of our beans. And for this bean PayPal, this method will be invoked. Okay. For this key, this value is the function that will be invoked. Is this clear? So this is our map. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is happening here? What is happening here? Or should I tell you? what is happening here? Hello, what is happening here? If you don't know, just say don't know, I will then describe it.
So we are creating and injecting the dependency.
No, the code. Auto-wired is for dependency, you are right. So what is, in this case, what is the dependency here? What is the dependency that we are injecting? You know what is the dependency here? You know what is what dependency we are injecting? You know that?
The map.
Map, right. So this is a dependency, payment services, which is a map. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
We are giving this map to this, to our object, okay, payment processor, and this map we are assigning to this variable. Okay, this clear? We are assigning this map to this variable. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So payment services here, this payment services that I have highlighted, it contains the map. Is this clear? It contains the map. Is
Yes,
it clear?
sir.
Now, what we are doing here in app config, we are saying that here we are receiving the map. Is this clear? Here also we are receiving the map. The name of the map is payment services, and we are returning this map to the, we are giving this map to Spring Boot. Is this clear? We are giving this map to Spring Boot. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are giving this map to, so it is written a return. To whom we are returning? We are returning this map, and we are returning this through this object new. Okay, through this object we are returning. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are returning this map through this object, which is from the new keyword. And to whom we are returning? This is returned to whom? This is returned to Spring Boot. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And how Spring Boot will use it? Spring Boot will use it like this. Is this clear? This is one of the case where Spring Boot is using our map. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Because Spring Boot has now the map. We are just now using it with the help of get keyword. Right? I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beans can be created like this, like @ component, This is the bean. Then payment request. Payment request is not a bean, it is DTO. Is this clear? Its task is to receive the data and give the data. It will not do any logic things. Do no addition, multiplication, nothing. It will receive the data, it will give you the data. It will receive the data through constructor. It will provide you the data through the getter. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we added this. What we have added? We did modification in one of the file. I think payment application. Yes, payment application. Now payment processor has the map. Is this clear? Who is having the map? Payment processor. Right? Is this clear now? We are giving the map to the payment processor. So who is having the
Yes,
map?
sir.
Payment processor has the map. So this is auto wired. It means this map has a connectivity with payment processor. Is this clear? Auto wiring means this map is connected with the payment processor. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And so here what we are doing, we discuss singleton in morning. You remember that? You remember
Yes,
it?
sir.
So here we are creating, this is our main program. Run means this application will run. And what this application is taking, it is taking payment processor as input. Is this clear? The input is payment processor, which is given to this run function. Is this clear? Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is the output? If the input is payment processor, the output is this whole thing in the curly braces. This whole thing is the output. Is this clear? The whole code that I'm highlighting is your output. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And the output you need to show in the command line. Is this clear? So the type is command line. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So what in the output, what we are doing, payment processor by default, the scope of payment processor is, we haven't defined any scope of payment processor. So what is the scope of payment processor? What will be the scope of payment processor if you don't define any scope? If you don't know, let me know. What will be the scope? What is the default scope? If you don't define any scope.
Uh, uh, Sir, is it singleton?
Yes, singleton. Okay, it means one object will be created. Is this clear? So if we are creating P1 and P2 are pointing to the single object. Is this clear? Because payment processor is singleton. Is this clear? So here if you see payment processor, there is no scope defined. Is this clear? It is only bean here. Is this clear? No scope is defined here. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So it is singleton. So it means they both are pointing to the same memory. So if you run these three codes, this will come out to be true because they both are pointing to the same memory. And if you see the hash code, their hash code will be same because they are pointing to the same memory. Hash code means represents the memory, the code of the memory to which they are pointing. So it comes out to be same. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now this payment will be processed. You will get this output. Now this demo is for which scope? This demo is for which scope?
Prototype.
Prototype means every object will have its own memory. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we created this class shopping cart. Okay, in the shopping cart, see the scope here. What is the scope of this class at line number 10? What is the scope? Prototype. So it means whoever uses the object of shopping cart, because every user has its own shopping cart. Shopping cart cannot be same for every user. Is this clear? Shopping cart cannot be same for every user. It will be for every user has its own shopping cart. So that's why the scope is prototype here. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what methods we are using here? So these are the functionalities: set username, add item, checkout. Is this clear? Like my username is Sumit. So my username is Sumit. I will add my items and then I will check out with the items. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So for adding the items, what type of data type we are using for adding the items? I need to add the items. So what type of data type we are using to store the items? What type of data type we are using to store the items? Item can be one item or it can be more than one item. Item can be one item or it can be more than one. Yes.
So more than one item.
So yes, it is more than one item. So that items will be fixed, or it is dynamic. Items can be fixed that okay, I can purchase only 5 items, or I can purchase less than 5, greater than 5 is equal to 5. So it should be dynamic or it should be static?
So dynamic in nature.
Dynamic in nature, right, right. So here I define so this is, here we are defining the data type of the items. Is this clear? The,
Yes, sir.
the data type is a list. Okay. List is the data type. And what is the type of the data type? String. Is this clear? Because items names
Yes, sir.
will be in the strings and the data type is list. Okay. So there are various lists available. So this is in the array list, there are various types of list. So this is one of the type, simple list. Okay, this is one of the type of list. Is this clear? You have done this in your second year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the collections, if you see the collections framework, you have done this. So how to add the items in the list? The name of the memory is items. So how we can add the items? How we add the items in the list? In the collections, if you want to add something, how you add something?
By using add.
Yes, by using the add function. Here we are adding the items. Is this clear? By using the add function. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So we will add the item one by one. Okay. Suppose first item comes, second item come, third item come, and each item will come with its price. Okay. They have its own price. So the first item will be added, then second will be added, then third will be added. Okay. And total price will be added. Total price will be for the items 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there are 3 items, so total price is the addition of these 3. Is this clear to you? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is checkout. What we are doing in the checkout? What we are doing in the checkout? So there are 3 items, na? So size will be, this will be 3. Is this clear? This will be 3. Okay. Here comes the username. Suppose the username is Sumit. So it will say Sumit checking out 3 items, and this is the total amount that we have calculated here. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what is the type of total amount? I will just check it. So total amount we are declaring here. Why we are declaring here? Because it is required here also. It is required here also. So it should be global. Is this clear? The memory should be global. Is this clear?
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
And similarly is the case of these 3, all 3 are global, because username also we are using in all the functions. In some of the functions, more than one function is using the username. Is this clear? Why they are global? Because they are shared by more than one function. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you make it local, then their scope will be limited. Is this clear? right?
Right, sir.
And here during the checkout, we are also printing here username, and here we are printing the hash code. What is this hash code? What is this hash code? First, we need to see where this checkout is defined. So here we are adding the items. Okay. So here first we are setting the okay. So what we are doing here? What we are doing here? You know what we are doing? What do you mean by bean? What is bean? You know what is bean? We discussed several times.
Yes, sir.
Bean is an object. Is this
So
clear?
it's an object.
So we are creating two objects, Alice and Bobcat. Okay. And what is their type? Their type is shopping cart. Is this clear? These objects types is shopping cart. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the normal Java, we use new keyword. Is this clear? We use new keyword to create the object. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But this is Spring Boot. In the Spring Boot, we can create the object like this. Is this clear? Is that clear?
So by using the context,
We discussed, na? If you remember, I show you many times. This is this clear now? The highlighted application context. Because application context is the container who has all the beans. And so to whom we will request? From application context, right? Because application context has all the beans. Is this clear?
yes, sir.
Because application context contain all the beans, so we have to request from the application context. So here the context is application context. It must be defined above. Oh, here it is defined. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So is it visible to you? What I'm highlighting is visible?
Yes, sir. So it is visible.
Okay. Is this clear? So if you require the bean, so you will request from the application context. Is this clear? Because application context is the one who has all the beans. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we created two objects. Then here we are using the functions of the object. One of the function is set username. Another function is add item. Okay, is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
shopping. So if you see, these are, so we can use these functions: set username, add item, checkout. So every user has its own shopping cart. So this is Bob, this is for Alice, this is for Bob. So they are adding the items. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you write Alice, if you write this, it comes out to be false. Why it comes out to be false? Why it comes out to be false?
Because they're having different objects.
Because their scope is, they have their scope is prototype. Is this clear? Their scope is prototype. They are different objects. Is this clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear? Now here Alice is checking out, here Bob is checking out. Okay. Here Alice is checking out, here Bob is checking out. So in the checkout, if you see the code, this will give the hash code of, first Alice will get its own hash code, then Bob will get its own hash code. So it comes out to be different. Is this clear? Is it clear? Because first one user is checking out, then another user is checking out. They both are different, so their hash code comes out to be different. Is this clear? So who is checking out first? If you see the code, Alice is checking out, then Bob is checking out. Okay. So here, first you get the hash code of Alice. Okay. Which will be, then you will get the hash code of Bob. Is this clear? So is this clear? Is that clear? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
So the code is clear to you? The code is clear? The code is clear?
Yes, sir.
So we create a payment processor whose scope is by default scope is singleton. Then we created a shopping cart whose scope is prototype. Okay, so if you run this, you will get the output. To run this, you have to go to the main program. You have to click on run button. So this is the output that we are getting. Is this clear? For the singleton, both are having same memory. Is this clear? For the singleton, P1, P2 are having same memory. Is this clear? Are you getting my voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? They are having the same memory. If you see here, the hash code for Alice is different. The hash code of Bob is different. Is this clear? They have different hash codes. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the total for Alice and Bob. So if you put this into, if I remove this scope, then things will be different. If you see now, the output is this. the output completely changes. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
The output means because they become singleton. Is this clear? They become singleton na, because they are pointing to the same memory. Is this clear? Is it clear? They are pointing to the same memory, so they become singleton and they have the same total. Is this clear? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why it is happening? Why this happened? Because I put a comment on line number 10. Is this clear? Is that clear? I put a comment on line number 10. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I want a correct output, what I need to do? For the correct output, what we need to do? For correct output, what we need to do? How we get the correct output? What we need to do? Anyone? Hello. What
Sir.
we? Yes, yes. What we need to do to get a correct output? How we'll get the correct output? What we need to do is very simple. Anyone? Are you getting my voice? Are you getting my voice?
We have to include.
We have to uncomment this. Okay? Is this clear? Line number 10, uncomment, then save, and then again run. Now we are getting the correct output. Their hash codes are different and each user has its own shopping cart, so their total will be different. Is this clear?
Sir.
Is this clear to now? Is it now it is clear how the code is working?
Yes, sir.
Now there are some tasks you need to do. Have you installed Postman? That was yesterday task. Postman desktop. Have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Second thing you need to install is MySQL. Is this clear? For the database.
Okay, sir.
Because tomorrow we will save our items in the database. Is this clear? So you need to do this task here only. Okay. Once it is done, let me know. This you have, I know you already installed. This you need to install. For this, you follow any YouTube tutorial. Okay. Don't do the installation by yourself. Find a YouTube tutorial and then install MySQL if it is not in your system. Okay. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And after doing this, you need to create one database and you have to just show me the database. Is this clear? After installing this, you have to first install it. Second, create a table. And I will write here. So first you need to install. Then first you will create a database. So in the database, you need to first create a table. Then you have to insert the data. Insert the data into the table. After inserting the data, you have to show the data to me. Is this clear? You have to then show the data to me. Is this clear? Install, create database. And for this, follow a YouTube tutorial. For installation. To install MySQL. Otherwise, what happens if you do yourself, then you may miss some steps. Okay? You may miss some steps if you try to do yourself. The task is clear? Today task is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do the task and let me know once it is done.